I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you've purchased a faulty product from Walmart, getting a refund can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start the refund process, collect all necessary information, including your receipt, order number, and any relevant product details. Step 2. Visit the Walmart website or app. Go to the Walmart website or open the Walmart app on your device. Navigate to the account section to find your order history. Step 3. Locate the order. Find the order that contains the faulty product. Click on it to view the details and look for the option to start a return. Step 4. Select the reason for return. Choose faulty product or a similar option from the list of reasons for the return. This helps Walmart process your request accurately. Step 5. Follow the instructions for return. After selecting the reason, follow the prompts to print a return label if needed and package the item securely. Make sure to drop it off at the designated location. Remember, if you purchase the item online, you may need to return it by mail, which can take a bit longer for processing. I hope this helps you get your refund quickly.